Hey, yeah, you. Psst, come here. I need to tell you something about the salt. Hello everyone, I got some good news. It's this green screen, and I have some more good news that I will tell you at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, this video is going to be about some white stuff. No, not that cocaine stuff or that sugar stuff, even though that stuff's pretty sweet though. I'm going to be talking about that salt stuff. Now, I know what you're thinking, why? Now, salt is also known as sodium chloride, and sodium chloride is commonly known as salt. And salt is an ionic compound with the chemical formula of NaCl, representing a 1-to-1 ratio of sodium and chloride. If you don't know what that means, don't worry, it's not really important to the rest of the video. Now, there are a lot of different salts. I learned that there are over 32 edible salts, and that's not even counting the ones that are not edible. I'm not even like, why would salt exist if you can't eat it? So I don't really know. Edible salts may be identified by such characteristics as their geographical origin, method of preparation, natural impurities, additives, flavorings, or intended purpose such as pickling or curing. Now, sodium is an element of the alkaline metal group. Alkaline is a soft metal with low density and looks like silver. It's pretty cool. Okay, so if you were to cut this sodium metal, it would be like cutting butter. Like, it would be just... So sodium metal is not found naturally in nature. 5 out of the 6 alkaline metals react with the air and water. The list is right here. I'm going to read it on my phone. Those metals are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, and cesium. But for this video, we're just going to focus on sodium. So sodium metal reacts rapidly with the air and water to form a colorless solution of sodium hydroxide, NaOH. And it forms hydrogen gas, which is H2. And this reaction is exothermic. And if you don't know what exothermic means, it means that it explodes. Like, I was gonna buy some sodium metal to demonstrate this, like when you throw it in water, it just explodes. But I figured, why not just save my money and show you clips of other people wasting their money on sodium metal. It's freaking dope. They just roll the clip. Now, if you guys are wondering, like, what is the use of sodium metal? Let me just save you the Google search, because I got it right here. Let me just tell you. In metallic form, sodium can be used to refine reactive metals such as zirconium, and potassium, improve alloy structures, descale metal, and purify molten metals. It is often used as a desiccant for drying solvents. Oh my gosh, I wish I can read. Solvents in chemistry, and is also used as a reducing agent in organic synthesis. But I find it just more satisfying just to watch it explode. Now, for the end of this video, I'm going to do a countdown starting from 3. 3 facts about sodium. 3. Every cell in the human body contains sodium. 2. Most Americans consume about 3.4 grams of sodium a day, and they only need to be consuming or absorbing in their body, whatever, 1.5 grams of sodium a day. 1. More than 80% of heart disease can be prevented if we just ate less sodium. So just stop being a pig. You know who I'm talking to. I'm talking to you. So the good news for the last mysterious thing at the end of the video, which is this. It's this right here. I have a name for you guys, like a nickname. You know how YouTubers give their subscribers a name? You guys got one now, I think. Unless you don't like it, then I guess leave a comment if you do. Leave a comment if you don't. So the name is, you ready for this? You ready for this? Drum roll, please. It's going to be chemisters. I know. You're like, what? Wait, say that again? Chemisters, like E-R-S, chemisters. So it's like a bad grammar version of chemist. You know, like, instead of calling you guys chemists. Hope you guys like it. If you don't, leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at SpeedThroughChemistry. Hit the notification bell. Leave a comment of something, like comment, quotation marks, LOL. He actually made a video about salt, period, quotation marks. All right, thanks for watching. I don't know what I'm doing. Bye.